If you're looking to add a touch of personality to your shelves, consider incorporating theme decor. Whether you're a fan of coastal vibes, rustic charm, or modern elegance, there's a theme to suit every taste. For a coastal-inspired look, incorporate seashells, driftwood, and blue hues. Hang a framed print of a beach scene and display a collection of glass jars filled with sand and shells for a breezy coastal feel. If rustic charm is more your style, opt for weathered wood accents, vintage-inspired signage, and woven baskets. Add a touch of greenery with potted herbs or wildflowers for a cozy farmhouse vibe. For those who prefer a modern aesthetic, keep things sleek and streamlined with clean lines and minimalist decor. Display geometric sculptures, metallic accents, and monochromatic artwork for a contemporary look. No matter your preferred theme, don't be afraid to mix and match different elements to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Remember, shelf decor is all about expressing your personality and creating a space that brings you joy. And there you have it, a variety of shelf decor ideas to suit every style and taste. We hope you found these tips inspiring and feel excited to refresh your shelves with a new look. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more home decor inspiration.